Hello everybody, welcome again to Robot Steel Structure course. Now in this lecture we want to model and draw the top rafter of the steel structure. The rafter is the beams and the top, so we call them rafter. These are the rafter. For more detail, we want to draw these beams. Okay, so now to draw the beams for the American and the American shape or American code, we use the S shape for the beams, I beams, and the European code we can choose IPE European beam. Also we can show H or the W shape for the beam, but we can also most preferred that we to use S shape for the beams. Now we go to the robot bar section and we press new. We choose here I, and for the family here we choose S. We can choose any of this section. We press it, then close. We can go to exit, and for bars S here we want to draw with this section from here to here. Let's start off section shape to draw more and details to be okay. We have draw the first two. To choose, we press Ctrl to choose the two beams together, Ctrl, then we select them. Now we want to replicate. We go to edit, move. First of all we put 15 here, then we choose from here to here. Okay, exactly. We press now execute. We delete. I must draw close before instead of execute. Okay, so we can show now the sections exactly what we need. So also for defer the columns from beam, we can press here, right click display, mark with color here, section here, and we press OK. So now the robot draw the columns with black color and the beams for and the other column, and we can defer now the columns from the beams. So here we can uncheck the legend. Okay, so the columns are with yellow and the beams are with blue column. Now here and the 8 of 9 we have trusses, so we want to delete the beams. Okay, so we need to delete these beams because we have a truss. The truss, we want to model the truss and the other method. And also, as usually, we want to define a group for these beams. To select all these beams, we can directly go to XZ and the 3D view. We press on front here and we do this selection. We have selected now. As we go to geometry, 28 bars. Okay, 28. We can show them here. Now we select these beams and we go to group, new group. We rename rafter and we press enter. Now we delete this group. Yes, So we have to group now columns and rafters. We press here exit. If we go to columns and we refresh selection, the robot select the columns. And if we go to rafter selection, the robot select the beams. Now we have finished from draw the beams at the top rafter. So thank you for listening. We will continue in the next lecture.